Hi, in this video, we are going to make this candy favor box. It can also be used for Christmas to pack your own goodies for family and friends. Download link is in the video description below. After downloading the template, upload the file to Cricut Design Space. It requires one 12x12 cardstock to make one box. Finished size is 9.5 inches. If you're happy with the size, click Make It and send it to cut. It is suggested to use medium or heavyweight cardstock to make this project. Now it has finished cutting. Have a close look at the dot lines and get familiar with where to fold before start. Flip over and begin to fold. Fold this line here inward and this line here outward. Repeat the same step the other side. Now we are going to overlap the two end panels and glue them together. Apply glue and give it a good press. Next, we are going to use ribbons to tie the ends. Cut 2 pieces of ribbons. The ribbon size here is 13 inches. It could be longer if you prefer. I usually use a lighter to seal the ribbon ends so they don't fray. Now tie one end of the box with a pretty bow. Fill some goodies and seal the end with the other ribbon. We have made it. Hope you enjoy the project.